video is showing you how to use the TV in the rear of the K-Yacht 80. So on the right hand side here you'll see a little push-up panel. So you use your palm and just push at the back down and then let it go and it will start coming up. You do have to pull it the rest of the way up and then it will just pop out like so. Then up in the cupboard to the right, open this little cupboard up here and you will find the satellite dish controller. So you'll see there's an on-off button here. So all you do is hold your finger on there until the lights start flashing. So we hold, keep your finger on there. As soon as the two lights come up, you take your finger off. Don't keep them on there or the dish won't go up. And then you'll see this green flashing light. So what that means is the dish is going up on the roof. So always check your surroundings outside. Don't park under any trees before you put your dish up. Now it'll take a good minute for the dish to come up and then you will get the picture on the TV. To put the dish down is the same thing. You'll just hold down this button until the light starts flashing to put the dish down, and to pop the TV away, just make sure it's secured back like so. Push it down and again you push to the back to lock it down. Then when those lights stop flashing and there's no lights on the screen, that means the dish is down.